Virtual assistants are in high demand now globally because most people do work from home and they need assistance with whatever they are doing. In this video, I'm bringing to you a step-by-step process on how to become a virtual assistant at the comfort of your home. Be your own boss, be your own. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do well to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss any video from us. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming by, and do well to leave a comment, leave a like, and let's catch up. So let's get down to business, guys. Become your own boss and by becoming a virtual assistant. Who is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is a personnel that provides support to clients, businesses, companies, organizations. What kind of support will you be providing? A virtual assistant does so many things, from social media management, email marketing, blogging, proofreading, customer service, answering calls, travel planner. You can be a travel planner, you can be a customer representative rep for the organization that is employing you. You can be an email marketer, you can be a website designer, a graphic designer. All these things fall under virtual assistant. Your job is to assist your client or the individual that hired you for the particular job. So how are you going to become a virtual assistant? One thing first I will advise you is to get, if you're a beginner, as a beginner, you have to get a course on a virtual assistant. Do a 3 hours course on becoming a virtual assistant. And where can you get that course and get a certificate? You can do it on Udemy. All you have to do, go to Udemy, create a free account. There are many free courses on Udemy that you can get on virtual assistant. After creating your Udemy account, you come to the search bar and you click virtual assistant. So what you'll be doing is you're going to be filtering your options. So we're going to be filtering the options because these ones are paid. You're going to be filtering the options to make sure you get the ones that are not paid, and you get the ones that have a rating of 4.0 upwards. 4.0. English language, you filter according to your preference. If you don't speak English language, you can choose any other language. So you come down to the last price, you come under price, you see the paid version and the free version. There are free versions, so you click on the free version. Okay, after clicking on the free version, you get to see virtual assistant courses that are free that you can study and become a virtual and get a certificate. So this person has virtual assistant management course and they have 4.4 ratings. It's a 1 hour course. This person is 4.8 ratings, this person is 4.6, this one is 2 hours. So you get to see different courses of different people that are ranging the courses, how to outsource. So you get to see different virtual assistant courses and you select any of these. If you want this, you can see it has 1,000 something ratings. So this one should be a good course because it has over 1,492 ratings. So you can enroll to this one. You click on enroll and you start the 1 hour course. They get to give you a certificate, or if you have the money, it's not too expensive, you can enroll to the one that is paid, which can be really elaborate. Most of the paid courses are really elaborate and you get a good certificate after the course. So most of those courses are usually 1 hour, 2 hours, or maximum 3 hours course that you can do in a day and you get your certificate. And so after you've done the course on becoming a virtual assistant, after you've done your course on becoming a virtual assistant, what you're going to be doing is gather your resume, gather your information, and apply to virtual assistant websites that I'm going to be showing you. You apply to 1 or 2 of those websites and you start getting jobs. So for the first website that you can apply to become a virtual assistant is called 247 Virtual Assistant. 247 Virtual Assistant, you go to their website, you see different virtual assistant jobs. For example, this is a virtual assistant, administrative virtual assistant. What's the role for? It's a full-time remote role for an administrative VA. The person will be responsible for tasks such as data entry, web research, email management, customer support, amongst others. Qualifications: the person has to have administrative assistant skills, excellent communication, clerical skills, ability to prioritize tasks, proficiency in creating presentations and managing documents, experience with data entry and data mining, strong problem solving abilities. So you can apply for this if you think you are. Then this other one is application developer virtual assistant, bilingual okay, you have bilingual customer service virtual assistant. You can see the requirements. If you're a beginner, I'll advise you to go for bookkeeping and customer service. For example, bookkeeping virtual assistant. What are you required to do? Proficiency in accounting, skills in performing journal entries, strong attention to detail and accuracy, and so on. Content writer. If you're a beginner, also you can become a content writer. Content writing is not something that is kind of complicated. Web content writing, research, proofreading, excellent written and verbal communication skills, attention to details, basic knowledge of SEO principles. You can see the different virtual assistant positions that are available on 247. So website where I would say you can get virtual assistant jobs is called $99. On $99 cent, $99 socials. So you just have to come on $99 careers, and you get to meet all the virtual assistant, all the kind of jobs that are available on there. You get to, under their career, you get to see apply for Meta, Google, TikTok management. That is the virtual assistant position. Google management, TikTok ads management, that's virtual assistant. Apply for SEO management. Apply today for Instagram code service jobs. Apply. So another platform you can use is another platform to become a virtual assistant is VA networking. On VA networking, all you have to do is sign up, and they do have a training program that will give you on becoming a virtual assistant. So you become an experienced virtual assistant, and you get to earn from between $25 to $100 per hour, depending on your job, depending on what is entailed from you, from the customer or the client. So after you do the training for a particular period of time, then you become a virtual assistant and you start getting jobs. And what are you going to be doing? These are the things that you'll be doing: bookkeeping, customer service, transcription, travel planning, video editing, WordPress services. All of these on the site are being linked. What equipment you use, how much does it cost to start virtual assistant? Do I need a license? You may not need it. You don't need a license to become a virtual assistant. Do I need my own website? You don't need a website. All you have to do is be your own. You can actually get your own website, but it'll be much convenient for you if you become a virtual assistant by signing up on an already established network. So you get to set your own prices, how much you want the client to pay you. Retainers, 5 hours 5% discount, 10 hours 10% discount, 25 hours 15% discount. Different packages. People have different packages on the site that they do set. So in order for you to become a virtual assistant, all you need to do is, if you're a beginner, get a course on Udemy. If you have the money that you can spare, it's not, most of the time those courses are not up to, most of them are between $9 to $10. They are not expensive. If you have like $9 to $10 that you can spare, you go on Udemy or you go on Coursera. Coursera has courses also on virtual assistant, but I'll advise you go on Udemy because Udemy is kind of minimal with its pricing. It's not too expensive. Between $9 to $10, you sign up, you get a virtual assistant course and a certificate. At the end of the day, you get to learn a lot of things on becoming a virtual assistant. And you go on this website that I named for you, and you apply to become a virtual assistant and start making money from the comfort of your home. So that's it, guys. And make sure you learn a particular skill. If you don't know anything about social media management, you can still go on Udemy and you learn social media management for free, as I showed you on the screen. If you don't know about email marketing, you can still learn it. If you don't know about whatever, creating landing page, graphic designing, learn a particular skill. That's what I would say. Learn a particular skill. You don't know about customer service, get on Udemy, learn it. Learn a particular skill that you know you can do. After getting that skill, get a certificate on it. After getting the certificate on it, then you go on this website and you apply to become a virtual assistant, because when you have a certificate, you are 50% ahead of people that do not have a certificate. So get a certificate online, train yourself, get 1 or 2 weeks. Most of those courses, they don't take long. Most of them are something that you can do within 2-3 days and you're done and you get your certificate. So if you don't have any skill, get on Udemy, learn a particular skill, get a certificate, and go on this website and apply to become a virtual assistant and start making money from the comfort of your home. So that's it for this video, guys. And if you like what I'm bringing to you, and if you want more sites on becoming a virtual assistant, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified of every video that we post. And that's it, guys, for this video. And thank you all for coming around. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming around, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to watch this other video up here. Don't forget to watch it, and see you all in our next video.